Hi and welcome back to my final morning report chart series on Tuesday 19th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Looking at gold now, and we've had a strong move today on gold, about 11, 12 bucks up on the day. A nice little rebound, but it is pretty much just buzzing around within this range now. I think it's going to be a continuation of this move in the coming weeks actually. I don't really see this range as sort of breaking either way at the moment. You've got the strong support that comes in 1190, the strong resistance up at 1282, tighter support at 1208, tighter resistance up at 1260. But then you sort of drill down into the hourly chart and you see some pivot bands as well. We've just actually 1225 initially as the support. The pivot at 1243 broke today. Look at that pivot there, 1243. That broke today, not decisively. And you'd look at this chart and you'd still think, well, there is a strong move to the upside today. It needs to close above 1243, I think, to really suggest that the market is getting a bit of traction to the upside. But even if we were to see that, you'd sort of measure that pivot and you'd say, well, that's what, 18 bucks, and then project it higher. Sort of you're looking up towards sort of at 1260 area as your sort of target. Maybe a test of the 1262 high, but then I don't think it's going to be doing too much beyond that, because as I said, these charts are all fairly neutral now. The daily chart has now sort of settled into this more sort of neutral configuration on the momentum indicators. The RSI between 60 and 40. MACD line slightly positive, stochastics slightly positive. I mean, I say 1640, you actually got the RSI at bottoming out at 45. So you'd say there's a very slight positive bias, and also you're trading above all the moving averages as well. So again, very slight positive bias. But I don't think you're necessarily going to break out strongly to the upside. I think this is going to continue to be a range play. We've got this minor break above 1243 that does open the upside initially, but again, you need to close above that. The momentum indicators near term have improved, but you wouldn't say that they're excessively positive, and just lost a little bit of momentum after that initial burst to the upside just as the European traders came in, and that's sort of consolidating now. But as I said, a close above 1243 would open 1260, but again, that is around about where the sort of highs start to sort of come in, the bigger resistance levels start to come in as within this sort of range. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.